talking about spinal health, we want to make sure that the spine has 3 even curves in it. So one in the neck right here, one in the mid-back like this, and then one in the low back here. Now the curve up here in the neck is very important. This is called a lordotic curve. It means that it curves away from the nose. So the face is facing this way, the curve is going this way. Now this curve is really important because it helps to support the head in this natural position here. And when it does that, the muscles are functioning just as they should. Sometimes with patients we see them come in and they have heads forward like this, so there's a lot of tension on those muscles here, and this neck is not able to move as well as a neck with a regular curve in it. So another way to think of that is if you look at this rubber band here, when I hold it just like this, there's not a lot of tension in here. There's some, as muscles should have, but not too much to where it doesn't move very well. When the neck is forward like that, that muscle is stretched like this, then this is much tighter and it doesn't function as well, it doesn't move as well. So what we need to do is work on incorporating that curve back into the spine so we can bring the muscle tension back down to here. I hope that makes sense, and if you have any questions about it, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.